It's ready. We filled in the hole.
The hole is filled.
What's up, guys? We are back at it again. So Jesse's here, which means 240SX time. I'm gonna show you a couple things that we got. It's really cool. Kind of cleans things up. Yeah. Nice little trim for the center console. We're gonna have to figure out something for right here because that hydro is supposed to go right here. So we're gonna have to do some cutting, some trimming, but we'll make it work. Also right there where we're gonna mount the AEM dash, and then we have the bezel, of course, so it's gonna cover up all that crap so it'll look real nice and clean. And we wanna powder coat these. Trying to decide if we want to just do it black so it kind of blends in and then leave this purple, these little purple colors as splashes of accent colors, or if we should do purple there and there. I feel like that might be a little bit too much purple. So maybe black, but let me know down below what you guys want to do. So today, we're gonna dive deep into wiring. Get everything wired up so we can start getting power to this beast and get closer to starting it up. So I'm back here in the trunk, and what I'm gonna do is start wiring the tail lights, the brake lights, the reverse lights, the side markers. I'm gonna run all the ground right now to one spot. This little bolt right there. So everything's just gonna ground to that, so we can just run all the wires in one little good looking netting thingy majig. I don't know what you call them. But one little thing of all the wires going up under the dash, and then we'll get it all hooked into the relays and the switches. So I'm gonna spend most of my time back here, and I will keep you guys updated. And he's fixing the overflow for the coolant because he messed up.
Not my fault. Your fault.
So we went to put it in. It goes underneath here, and this is where the lid would show up. But one of the bungs, you can't see any of it. There's a fitting to the power steering that was gonna be right in front of the bung, the overflow, flowy top.
Yeah, so it's you have basically the coolant comes in the bottom, and so that way that allows the radiator to fill itself up, purge the air out and everything. And then this over here is where if you're
way
too much pressure, then it would come out here and then go down on the ground.
And that's how most being blocked.
Coolant overflows worked. So yeah, I just welded that up, and now I'll move it to a spot where it doesn't interfere. And I'll do it so it won't be messed up like what Jared did originally.
Excuse me?
Come again?
Well, I was gonna say beautiful and thank you, but how about fuck you? Okay, wiring. All right, status update. Jesse is crawling into the glove box. We're trying. So he's wiring everything under the dash right now. I am wiring this back here, and yes, I know this looks like garbage, but before you guys hose me, I just wanted to show you what it started looking like, and then I'll show you what I'm doing afterwards. It's gonna all be cleaned up and look beautiful, and you won't even see the wires. How's the glove box fitting?
That's good. Ish.
Let's see if I can see what Jesse's doing. Oh yeah, his looks more complicated than mine.
Sorry. It's just not. Stop it.
So a little bit more progress, actually quite a bit more progress. Almost done wiring everything up here, and then we just have to route everything up to the front. So that'll complete the front end, and then we have to wire that'll complete the rear end, and then we have to wire up the front end, do the same thing, and bring it up under the dash so we can all connect it all together. I'm fixing my mistakes. Actually, I'm fixing the rat's nest.
You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
We're all proud of you. I'm just more impressed that you're sitting in the trunk of your car.
This is so much better on my knees and my back. I have realized that I'm getting old. See, look at that. Oh, the shittiness have gone away. So much better. Look, shittiness.
Before? After.
Beautiful. See?
Very
There's a
nice.
method to my madness.
I like it.
Now when the reverse lights come on when I hit the brake pedal, it's not my fault. At least it looks good.
Or just pull a top gear and every time you hit the brakes, the horn goes off.
I like that too. I want to do that to someone. All right, so I have resorted to sitting inside the trunk, but it's making it a lot easier for me to do this wiring. Let me show you where I'm at. So as Jesse was pointing out, this is still to be done. I'm still kind of working on the wiring. The ground wires, I think, is the only thing left on this side. But if you look over here, oh my goodness, y'all doubted me. Y'all doubted me. From that to that. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Look at my homemade harness tucked up under there. See? I know what I'm doing. Kinda. But we have a bigger dilemma. Oh, and if anybody has wired this stuff and made it look nice and done well, this takes forever. And I didn't even do a good job. Like, I did a good job, but it's not like, oh, damn, that's some good wiring. It's beginner wiring, but it looks good. For the first time ever doing that shit, I think it looks fantastic. Turned out great. But our bigger dilemma now, I showed you the LRB dash delete and the stereo delete. Well, our AEM CD7 dash that is taking over the OEM dash, all the cluster, is pretty big. If anybody has ever had or seen the AEM CD7, it's kind of a big unit. The CD5 was a smaller unit, which clearly that made it easier to fit and fabricate into vehicles. Ugh. But as you can see, I have the dash delete out, the stereo delete out. We're trying to figure out how to squeeze the CD7 dash into this. So it is about this tall, and as you can see, that tall, it comes down to like right here. Well, that's not gonna fit. So Jesse is going to fabricate a mount. We're gonna mount it to the actual steering column and have it like right here in front. So, and it'll adjust with the steering wheel. So if you adjust it up and down, it's gonna move up and down with the steering wheel. And then we'll just keep this plain and clean. So it looks clean and finished behind it. And then we'll just have it here going up and down. So he's gonna go get that mount cut, and we're gonna probably just weld it to the steering column. Jesse's gonna weld it because then it'll look really clean and good. But that's where we're at. So he's gonna go get that cut. Next time he's back, we'll fit it up and see if it looks good. I don't wanna do it if it looks like trash. So I'm trying to make this look as clean and well done as possible. So I don't want it to look really bad, but his fabricating tends to turn out amazing anyway. So I have a feeling it's gonna be an epic mount. So we'll see. So next episode, we will see his mount, hopefully. Hopefully he'll have it made here in the next couple days. He got a lot of the wiring done. Let me get out of this trap. Let me show you. So before, when he was crawling up into the glove compartment, let's see if I can see all his stuff. I need a flashlight. Helps to have a little bit of light. Alright, so you see all of his notes there, but if you look up on the side, whoa, see if I can crawl into there. This is what he's been working with. So, kind of cool. Like, I'm super intrigued and fascinated by wiring and all this electrical stuff. But I mean, I understand the basics, but I want to know more. So hopefully we can kind of walk through that and he can help me understand that more. Oh no, my battery's dying. Let me show you one more thing before I end it. Look at the front. Ooh, the bumper is kind of on. It's just kind of sitting there. But I've been trimming it slowly, just trimming it back just so we can get the bumper to fit with that intercooler. But I think that's all I have time for today because the battery is telling me it is dying. I have probably like 10 seconds left. So hopefully we didn't do a lot, but you got to see my wiring skills and how beautiful I cleaned that up. Thank you. I'm gonna continue to do that. I won't show it because you guys, you already saw what I could do. So I'm just gonna do that off camera, get that side finished up, start the front. We need well, I think I have the wiring schematics. We have the wiring schematics all for the front end, so I'm gonna start wiring that as well. And then when Jesse comes back, we will hopefully put together all the dash. All the wiring will be routed under the dash, so we just have to connect everything. It is getting so close, you guys, so close. I can feel it. So hopefully this weekend, Saturday maybe, we'll get to do all that. I think that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. Again, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this. If you like these little episodes that kind of get you, kind of bring you along as much as I can, even if it's a little boring shit like this. But if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Most of you guys watching this are not subscribed to the channel, so even if you don't like the 240 build, we do other stuff with the Supras, go to car events, stuff like that. So hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys next time. Oh, and one last thing as I am walking out, as you can see our shop behind me. One more thing. Yes, I am looking kind of scraggly. It is No Shave November, so all of you guys out there that participate, stay strong. I think I'm gonna keep that, no, I don't think. I am gonna keep this all of November, No Shave November. Get it, fellas, get it.